Investing in equity market is just like riding a roller coaster. In roller coaster, after going through so many scary ups and downs, we finally get the amazing experience of fun, joy and happiness. During these speedy ups and downs, we might get scared, but we did not jump out of it even though we feel the fear. Being seated is the safest option till the time we end up with our ride. Similarly, we can create a great wealth from the equity market only after passing through lots of ups and downs. Equity markets can correct due to many reasons, and feeling of fear is natural during such market corrections. In spite of fear, it is always advisable to stay invested for a long term. During 2003 to 2007, Sensex faced many corrections before it went up from 3,390 from 1st January 2003 to 20,286 on 31st December 2007. During such corrections, whoever does not let the fear overpower the logic of long-term investing can create a great amount of wealth. Invest your hard-earned money in equity market through mutual funds for long-term with the help of proper advice from financial advisor to create wealth for you and your family. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Please read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.